Hello guys, today we are going to learn about BODMAS theorem. BODMAS theorem is nothing but a backbone of a maths. It's a basic rules to solve any question in the maths. It's a basic rules. Uh, that rules you should know. So BODMAS theorem. We are going to start from here because we are going to like that. So BODMAS theorem. So B stand for bracket, yeah, braces, whatever you can say, bracket. O stand for order, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. So it's a BODMAS theorem rules. If any question contain bracket, then we have to solve first bracket portion, and if they have order, then we are going to solve second, first bracket, second order, and third division, and so on, like multiplication, addition, and last. In the last, we are going to solve subtraction portion. So let's see a question on that rules. We are applying that rules to solve that question. So first question, we are going to like 20 plus 30 minus 3 square, and we are also at division, like division 3 into 5 plus 6. That's an easy question. So when we want to solve this question, first we have to apply this BODMAS theorem rules. Its rules, when you apply these rules, this question is 100% right. Never wrong. You can say never wrong. Yeah. So bracket. This question is contain bracket, so first we are going to solve in the portion of bracket. So 20 remains same, plus 30 also remains same, 3 square also remains same, division also remains, and 5 plus 6 equal to 11. That's it. We are going to remove this bracket because it's short, so we are going to put a multiplication, because when bracket is removed, then multiplication is revealed, because in bracket section multiplication is hidden. So when we remove bracket, then multiplication is revealed. So multiplication is revealed. Now 20 remains same, plus 30 remains same, minus. Then we have to apply second rule order. So we are going to solve order questions, like 3 to power 2. 3, anything power of 2, that means 3 into 3. If power is 3, then that means 3 into 3. So power of 3 is equal to 2. Then we have to multiply 3 into 3, like a square. So 3 square equal to 9. Division 3 into 11. Now we are going to apply third rules. First, second we solve, and third we have to solve division. So 20 plus 30 minus 9, division. We can change division signs. So we can change in multiplication. When we are going to change that sign into multiplication, then 3 going to denominator and 1 1 upon 3 because it's a nominator 1 because every single digit have denominator 1. So we are when we exchange the sign like division to multiplication, then its denominator going to numerator and numerator going to denominator. So 3 into 1 into 11. Now 3 into 3, it's a gone. So 20 plus 30 minus 3 into 11. Now we are going to third rules, multiplication. So 20 plus 30 minus 3 into 11 equal to minus 33. Now we are going to addition. We are not going to subtract. First we have to add. So 20 plus 30 equal to 50 minus 33. Now we are going to subtract. So subtraction, like subtract 50 minus 33 equal to what? 70. Because it's nothing, 0. It's okay, 50 minus 33 equal to 70. That's it. And it's easy and everyone have to know that theorem because it's theorem. You can use this theorem to solve a stranger question because when we going to public and someone asked me question like what is the half of 20. So like if someone told you like what is half of 20, half of 20, we are going to say like 10, half of 20, 10. So how? So half means if anything is anything have like if anything half means that thing is 1, then it's half. That means it's 2. In maths we can write like half like write 1 by 2. So half of 20, so half 1 by 2 and off. In this portion of off we are going to multiplication because off means multiplication of 20 to 1 time. So equal to 10. So like that. So we have to know BODMAS theorem. This theorem is basics, everyone like 7, 8. But that is not, we have to only learn 8 student, 10 standard student. No, it is important for every. You can learn whatever you learn. Like if you make a prepare of G needs whatever, no not needs because needs not done enough math, but JE advanced like that. So you have to know that stuff. So thank and keep subscribe and comment. If I am wrong, I teach you wrong anything because humans make mistake. So I know I can also make mistake because I'm also a human. So if any mistake you see, then you have to comment it because feedback is important to grow someone and feedback is very important. So that's bye bye.